Areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is also called as loose connective tissue as it has a semi-fluid matrix, and the cells of this tissue are mast cells, plasma cells, fibroblasts. All the cells are scattered in the loose semi-fluid matrix, and these cells play a vital role in body defense. Means they protect our body from the foreign particles. They have different types of fibers, and fibers are protein strands that provide structural support and elasticity to the tissue. So areolar connective tissue is found between the skin and muscles, in the blood vessels, nerves, in the bone marrow. It is also called as packing tissue as it fills the spaces inside the organs in different tissues. It is most widely found connective tissue, and it joins skin to the muscles. It joins blood vessels and nerves to the surrounding tissues. So we can say that areolar tissue helps in the supporting and packing of different organs lying in the cavity. It provides rapid diffusion of oxygen and nutrients from the blood vessels. It helps in repairing of tissues. It helps in fighting foreign particles. Now we have next adipose connective tissue. So adipose connective tissue, it consists of large number of oval and round adipose cells, and these adipose cells are also called as adipocyte. You can see oval shaped cells are there, and the nucleus is present at the periphery of the cytoplasm. So the adipocyte consists of fat droplets, also called as fat globules. Adipocytes are the cells in which fat is stored. We can say that extra fats are stored in the adipose tissue, and it lies under the skin. So it is found abundant below the skin. It is also found in the internal organs. It is also found in the bone marrow. So it serves as a fat reservoir. It also acts as an insulator, and it regulates our body temperature.